How does a NodePort service expose your application? It's simpler than you think, but there's a crucial detail most people miss. When you create a NodePort service, Kubernetes opens a specific port on every single node in your cluster. This port comes from a reserved range, 30,000 to 32,767. You can specify which port you want, or let Kubernetes pick one randomly from this range. The key insight is that this port is opened on all nodes, not just one. Here's where it gets practical. External clients can reach your service by hitting any node's IP address combined with that node port. So if your node port is 30,080, you can access it at node 1 IP colon 30,080 or node 2 IP colon 30,080. Any node works, giving you multiple entry points to the same service. Now here's what many developers don't realize. NodePort doesn't replace ClusterIP, it builds on top of it. When you create a NodePort service, Kubernetes automatically creates an internal ClusterIP service first. The NodePort then forwards traffic to that ClusterIP, which handles the pod distribution internally. This architecture enables intelligent routing. Even if a request hits node 3 and your pods are running on node 1 and node 2, Kubernetes automatically routes the traffic to the correct pods. The cluster handles all the networking magic, so it doesn't matter which node receives the external request. The traffic always reaches the right destination. Remember, NodePort opens one port across all nodes, provides multiple external entry points, builds on ClusterIP internally, and routes intelligently regardless of where traffic enters. That's how you expose apps in Kubernetes. Practice this concept on Interview Mentor to master your next interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.